Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. It's basically in line with my message about Bitcoin as well. Ethereum also rallied quite substantially here over the last few days or end of last week, no, end of this week actually, and created this extended wave 3. It looks to me as if this wave 3 is finally over and we're getting here a pullback in a wave 4. It's more a consolidation than really a pullback. We're just seeing sideways consolidation. The Ethereum consolidation is a little bit different to Bitcoin's. Here we see a possible ascending triangle, which would suggest trend continuation still. That's also what I suggest, at least as long as we are hovering above 1390. I mean, we're currently at 1552, but the problem is that the third wave is so long that the allowable support area for the wave 4 also goes down quite a bit. So you can see it here. That's the support area. We take the length of the third wave and we measure the retracements. We take the length of the third, measure the retracements, and it's between 1390 and 1500. These are three fib levels: 1390, 1438, and to be exact, 1498. Plus minus always a few dollars, because between different exchanges there are slight differences. I see currently not necessarily the need to get into this green support area, and I would nearly say that it's a similar count to Bitcoin, where we could actually see this as a triangle. In this case, however, a so-called barrier triangle, an ascending triangle. Possible count here A, B, but we would still see a C, D, E possibly. But yeah, it's not a very clear count. But I certainly see the possibility to break out of this to the upside without getting into this green support area. There is no need. So if we break above the horizontal resistance line here at 1565, I think we could be looking at a direct breakout to the upside. Yeah. If, however, we're losing the ascending trend line here, then I think this is a simple ABC correction in wave 4, and that would then go into this green support area. Bear in mind that we've got this descending trend line on the chart as well. I need to zoom out a bit for that. Basically, we are in this huge yellow channel, and well, we're not in it anymore, but we were in it, and Ethereum broke out and is now just retesting this from above. So we could not get really into the channel anymore. It has been bouncing off the channel for a few times today and yesterday. So as long as we stay above this line, which is around 1520, this is the support against which I would now focus on higher. If we drop below it, then it's quite likely to get into this green area. And if we drop below 1390, then I think we are gonna go down straight away, and we have a more substantial top in place here, and will then come down already and will not have this additional fifth wave to the upside. However, at the moment, that is my expectation against the micro support of 1520, and if that fails, against support here of 1390. What would be a target for this last wave up, which I'm still expecting? For everybody who's new, I do expect this because I see the current move up as an A, B, C pattern. It could be also something more bullish, but we won't really know that until we see this fourth and fifth wave, and then we can scale into the support area here if we then come back in a 3-wave move. But primarily I'm currently just focusing on this, and we can focus on higher as long as the support area is holding. So A, B, C, we should see one more leg up in a wave 5 of C. And if we get this wave 5, what would be the target? So for that, we take the length of the third wave, measure here from the low to the high, and we have to we have to add that to the end of the fourth wave. Now, this would obviously be much higher if the wave 4 really ends like a triangle here, because the wave 4 would then be at the end of the triangle, and I have to base it on the latest low in this possible triangle, which was here at around 1534, which means the target range could be between 1786 and 1943. This would change quite substantially if we get down into the green area once more. So it's going to be very interesting. Again, at the moment, I would rather be focusing directly on higher. I wouldn't necessarily assume that we have to get back into the green support area. If we do, that could be a possible long trade from here, or for anybody who likes to do it, could trade the breakout from here. I would trade the pullback into the wave 4 support area long. Alternatively, I'm just going to go with a DCA position. I did add another DCA position today because I do like to accumulate in the bear market, just step by step, not massively, you know, step by step, BTC and ETH. Doesn't really matter what price we have because I see it as long-term DCA, and it can certainly go up further from here still. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.